guys, it's time for an update on the house. The electricians are here setting a temporary pole. You can see there's a big tarp all over the roof from the roofers. They got some of the stuff tore off and put a tarp on there because it was going to rain Saturday, and it did rain Saturday, so I'm glad. And that was my tarp. I bought a big 40 by 50 tarp. I'm glad I did, because it did rain. They did put it up there. It's like they pulled it a little too tight right there and made a split in it. Not good, because that's one of the places where the roof leaks. So they've got an inverter set up to their truck, using it for power to power their drill, so they can drill to set the pole. We've got in here, you know, of course, some joists for the floor, and the floor is still out. Trying to set in a rim joist down there. We got to a certain point Friday and didn't get any further. We still got some demolition to do in here too, but right now we've got temporary poles set up to support the weight on this corner while we work on replacing rim joists and sill plates. Got in here, this whole wall is still coming out. That window's going to be gone. If you remember on previous videos, this window's going to be gone. That's going to be a doorway. This doorway is going to be gone. You'll access this laundry room through here. All that old electrical will be replaced with new stuff. And it's a good thing this wall's going to be gone, because there's a lot of rotten stuff here. Right here, the biggest amount of progress we made here was this trench here, and it has been inspected this morning, and it did pass inspection. We will be able to pour concrete today for the footer. Then hopefully today we'll get the block laid in here. And here we've got everything loose from the addition. All the rot is gone except for these. We've got to get the bolts loose to get these sill plates off. And we'll be replacing the sill plates, the rim joists, and just work our way all the way back up. These two gables, just like I said in previous videos, these two gables are coming off. There'll be one big gable from there to there, which is a 30-foot span. So we have a considerable amount of lumber for the framing over here. And of course I had to cover that up. That's our bags of concrete for the 6-foot trench. And then of course we have decking for the flooring, and we have some 2x4s. We've got lots of 2x4s under there too. So it's coming along. And then we have dumpster load number 7. This dumpster load number 7, and it's not quite full yet, but it will be. And there'll be another dumpster load after that. So far that's 7 dumpster loads, 7 truckloads, and 3 of my small trailer loads of trash. There's the temporary pole for power. We power up things like the air compressor for the air tools, and we can use more than just lithium-ion cordless tools. The roofers are of course using air tools, so they're going to want to plug their air compressor in, and I'm going to want to bring my air compressor here and plug it in and be using my air nailer as well. My big boss ditch, you'll get to see that in a later video. Of course, right now our biggest lifesavers have been the Ryobi brushless, cordless, reciprocating saw, and the Milwaukee Fuel brushless circular saw. These two, with a 6 amp hour battery for the Ryobi, 2 of these make it through an entire day, and 2 of these Milwaukee 5 amp hour batteries last us a whole day in the circular saw. So these have been a godsend since we didn't have any power for quite some time. And without them, I don't know what we would have done. But the Milwaukee is brand new. Now the Ryobi I had here, I bought this to replace my corded Ryobi, and I got this like 2 months ago. This one I got about 2 weeks ago, and I'm so glad I did. So till the next video, wishing all our hashtag insane friends, hashtag insane growth. And as always, there is a link in the description to any tools that you see me using in the videos. Any tools or supplies that you see me using in the videos, there is a link in the description to those very same tools. So the batteries, and these are the off-brand batteries for the Ryobi. These are the original Milwaukee brand batteries for the Milwaukee. These off-brand batteries don't last quite as long as the actual Ryobi batteries, but for the price, they have been worth it. I put it to you this way, it is less money per amp hour of actual use time for these. And I'll put a link in the description to those too. There is of course a playlist for the whole project of this house, starting from when we bought it for $19,000 in this neighborhood full of $200,000 and $300,000 homes. So if you're into real estate investing or into repairing homes or anything like that, and you want to make money doing that, then just keep watching our videos. Check out our playlist on real estate,